Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Hastuti. I'm from Class A, English Education Batch 2023. Today, I'm going to explain one of the important topics in linguistics, which is Introduction to Semantics and Pragmatics. This topic helps us understand how meaning works in language. It does not only discuss what words literally mean, but also how people use language in different situations. In this video, I will explain what semantics is, what pragmatic is, how they are different, and why both are important for us as English education students. So, the first topic, what is semantic? Let me start with semantics. Semantic is the branch of linguistics that studies meaning in language. When we talk about semantics, we focus on the literal meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. This means we try to understand meaning based only on the language itself without considering who is speaking or what the situation is. For example, if we hear the sentence, the cat is on the table, semantics look at the direct meaning, there is a cat and it is located on the table. Semantics does not focus on intentions or social situation. It studies meaning that is stable and built into the structure of the language. And next, why semantics matters. Semantics is important because it gives us a basic foundation for understanding language. Without literal meaning, communication would be unclear and confusing. Semantics help us know the definitions of words, how words relate to each other, and how grammar affects meaning. For example, the sentence, the dog chased the boy, and the boy chased the dog, use the same words but they mean very different things. The change in meaning happens because the grammar changes the roles of the subject and the object. Semantics help us recognize these differences. And next, what is pragmatics? Now, let's move on to pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of how context affects meaning, unlike semantics, which focus on meaning within the language system. Pragmatics looks at meaning that depends on the situation, the speaker's intention, the relationship between speakers, and shared knowledge. For example, if someone says it's cold in here, the semantic meaning is simply about temperature, but pragmatically, the speaker may be hinting that they want someone to close the window or adjust the air conditioner. The real meaning depends on the situation. And the next, why pragmatics is necessary. Pragmatics is necessary because people do not always speak directly. We often use hints, indirect requests, politeness strategies, or even sarcasm. Without pragmatics, we would misunderstand many messages. For example, if a person at the dining table says, "The salt is too far from me," they are not just making an observation, they are indirectly asking someone to pass the salt. Pragmatics help us understand these hidden intentions. Next, the difference between semantics and pragmatics becomes clearer when we compare them. Semantics looks at the literal dictionary like meaning of words and sentences. Pragmatics focuses on meaning that depends on context, intention, and social situations. A simple way to remember the difference is semantics is about what the words say. Pragmatics is about what the speaker means. Both are essential because communication always combines literal meaning and contextual meaning at the same time. Examples to show the difference. Let me give you another example to make the difference clear. Take the sentence, "Can you open the door?" Semantically, this is a yes or no question about the listener. Ability to open the door. It only asks whether the person is capable. But pragmatically, the speaker is not asking about ability, they are actually making a polite request. Instead of answering, yes, I can, we usually stand up and open the door. This shows how pragmatics explains real-life communication better than semantics alone. The role of context. Context is very important in pragmatics. Context includes who the speaker are, where the conversation takes place, what is happening, the relationship between speakers, and what they already know. All these factors can change the meaning. For example, if a teacher tells a student, "You are so early today," the meaning can vary. If the student usually comes late, it might be praise, but if the student always arrives on time, it could be sarcasm. The words stay the same, but the meaning changes because of context. Okay, next, why students need to learn this topic. As English education students, understanding semantics and pragmatics is very valuable. When we become teachers in the future, we will not only explain grammar and vocabulary, but also how meaning works in communication. Many misunderstandings in speaking and listening happen because learners do not understand implied meanings. In direct speech or cultural differences, learning semantics and pragmatics help us avoid these problems and improve our communication skills. How semantics and pragmatics work together. Even though semantics and pragmatics are different, they actually work together. Semantics provides the basic meaning of the words. Pragmatics aids meaning from the situations. Without semantics, we wouldn't understand the literal message. Without pragmatics, communication would feel unnatural and incomplete. For example, when someone says it's getting late, the semantics meaning is simply about time. But the pragmatic meaning could be a suggestion to end a meeting or to go home. We need both levels to fully understand the message. To conclude, semantics and pragmatics are two important branches of linguistics that help us understand meaning from different perspectives. Semantics focuses on literal meaning, while pragmatics focuses on context-based meaning. By learning these topics, we can understand language more deeply and communicate more effectively. We also become better prepared to teach English in a way that matches real-life communication. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching and listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.